Hi, this is the WIKO U Pulse and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So let's first open the Always On Display option, the Muviz application, and here on AOD section, just select one from the available terms which you like, tap to apply. We could click here to the backgrounds to change them. We should swipe to the up or to the down, tap to apply. For example, this time you could, after music controls, or you could hide them after 10 seconds, or just switch it to never to show notifications and the date by click on the switchers. And in battery section we could show the battery status always while charging or never. Click the X icon to go back, switch AOD to the settings, tap to Always On Display. Here we could switch show on lock screen, the AOD option always while charging on music, to decrease and increase the brightness level from 30 seconds to from 30 degrees to 100, to change the timeout, the low power after time, screen orientation to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen. If you use the fingerprint unlock method, you could close it also with a fingerprint. On screen off to set the shadow, to activate a turn off, to disable AOD in pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our WIKO U phone. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.